Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, this is Farhad Islam, I'm your English teacher. Today I'm going to ask you some questions just to be part of your speaking test. So at the very beginning of this speaking test, you have to tell me what's your full name.
My full name's Anaira. You can call me Anaira.
Okay, Anaira, where are you from?
I'm from Bazar, Tech Press to be more exact.
Okay, that's wonderful. Okay, Anaira, at the very beginning, right now, you have to introduce yourself, please.
Okay, sir. I'm introduce myself.
Okay,
I'm Anaira. You can call me Anaira. I'm from Bazar, Tech Press to be more exact.
okay,
My father's name's Muhammad Jalhaq. He's an employee.
okay,
My mother's name's Sharon Sumanur. She's a homemaker. I'm 8 years and one of two sisters.
okay,
I'm a student of class 3. My skills name Bazar CGS skill.
okay,
I'm also a student of English Heaven. I like flowers, chocolates, and playing games. But play is my passion. I
Okay.
want to be an engineer in my future.
okay, that's fine. How many family members do you have?
There are 4 family members I have.
Okay, so who are them?
They are my father, my mother, my little sister, and me.
Okay, that's wonderful. Okay, Anna, there's a picture in front of you. You just try to describe this picture right now, please.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
This is a picture of a study table.
okay,
There is a chair, and the chair is white in color. There is a table, and the table is brown in color.
okay,
And there is a mobile phone, and the mobile phone is white in color.
okay,
There is a tripod, and the tripod is white in color. And there is a camera, and the camera is black in color.
okay,
There is a pen holder. The pen holder is white in color.
okay,
There are many books, and there is also another pen holder.
okay. Wonderful. You just tell me, please, how many paintings are there in the picture?
There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pictures.
7 paintings.
7 paintings.
Which one do you like most?
I like this one
Why do you like it very much? Please, you just tell me, please, why.
because it's very beautiful.
Okay, so what is this?
This is an eye.
This is an eye or this is an eye?
This is an eye.
Okay, so what is this?
This is a clock.
Okay, there is another picture actually. You tell me, please, how many persons are there in the picture?
There are 3 persons in the
Okay,
picture.
thank you. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple.
Okay, I'm going to ask you actually some questions based on your daily activities. First of all, you just tell me, when do you wake up?
I wake up early in the morning.
Okay, then after waking up, what do you do?
I brush my teeth
Okay.
and
When do you go to school?
I go to school at 10 a.m.
Okay, so with whom do you go to school?
I go to school with my mother.
Okay, so how do you go to school?
I go to school by motorbike.
Motorbike.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. So you just tell me, please, when do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 a.m.
Okay, so when do you like to play actually?
I play in the evening.
Okay, that's wonderful. Okay, do you learn English?
Yes, sir, I learn English.
Where do you learn English?
I learn English at English Heaven.
What is English Heaven?
English Heaven is an institution of English.
Okay, that's wonderful. Anaira, do you know potato?
Yes, sir, I know potato.
What is this?
Potato is a vegetable.
Okay, do you know pizza?
Yes, sir, I know pizza.
What is it?
Pizza is a food.
Okay, do you know watermelon?
Yes, sir, I know watermelon.
What is it?
Watermelon is a fruit.
Okay, what's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Have you ever eaten mango?
Yes, sir, I have eaten mango.
Okay, that's wonderful, Anaira. You just tell me, please, how many marker pens are there in the pen holder?
There are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 marker pens in the pen holder.
4 marker pens in the pen holder.
4 marker pens in the pen holder.
Okay, what's your future plan? What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be an engineer in my future
Why do you want to be an engineer?
because it's my pleasure.
It's your pleasure. Okay, being an engineer is your pleasure. Okay, thank you. You just ask me some questions right now, please. You just try to ask me some questions, please.
What's your father's name?
Okay, then.
Do you like mango?
Yes, of course, then.
What's your favorite tree?
Okay, you make a sentence by education, please.
Education can change the world.
Okay, you just try to make another sentence by student.
I'm a student.
Okay, you just try to make another sentence by English heaven.
English Heaven is an institution of English.
Okay. Okay, Anaira, thank you very much for your wonderful and nice speaking test. Okay, I'm praying for you and see you in the new session 2025. Till then, stay happy. Thank you very much, and your speaking test is over here. Thank you.
It's my pleasure.
Okay.